Even in these challenging times, life can be better with Samsung's new wind-free air conditioner. Just ask Brother Shaggy. Chilling is better. Dating is better.
Oh no! Wait. Hey, what did you use that? Every time dirty, you better go open the side. What's it concern you?
What? Look at her. She just loves how clean and crisp the air is.
Well, now this wind-free AC, I need to eliminate 99.9% of harmful bacteria with the inside house. So it means I don't feel I'm here.
But wait, does she know?
Know what?
That wind-free cooling uses over 70% less energy, saving him a ton of money on electricity bills to spend on you.
Shaggy.
Alright, hello. The Samsung wind-free air conditioner. Oh, yeah, it will make sense. Thank you.